So I know that a lot of people like making money online. Some might not, some might be a bit afraid to, some might think that you've constantly got to invest money to make money online, but most people don't like to invest money, right? Well, I've been using this system for a while. It's a completely free system where you don't have to invest any money. I've had very good experience with it, and that's why I thought I would include this in today's video as today's video's topic. And I'm also going to take you and show you earnings from today on my live dashboard with this tool, and I'm also going to explain to you how your earnings are completely passive as you earn every month thereafter. You can do this again and again as much as you like. You can do it once a day, once a week, once a month, or you can do this as a side hustle, as a main hustle, as much as you want. And this is worldwide. This is all accepted in every single country in the world, which I really like about this. And I'm also going to do a $5 giveaway in this video, and I'm also going to give you a bunch of resources in this video. So this video is really going to be value packed. I'm going to do the $5 at the end of the video, but first make sure to watch every single step with me, because most people that skip these kind of videos or skip the steps that I'm about to teach you won't really succeed or will fail at this. But I'm really excited to give you all of this value packed information. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. But don't forget to subscribe down below and leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate this. I'm posting daily videos on how to make money online and the best tips and tricks to make money online. So if you want to get the latest tips and strategies on how to do that, I've got all the content that you need. But without further ado, let's hop into my PC and get straight into this. And here we go. We're now inside of my PC. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is, and this is step number one, you're going to need a Google account so you can sign up completely for free with your email. Otherwise, you can create an account completely for free. You're not spending any money with Google. That is all free, as we all know. So that is going to be step number one. Step number two is you're going to come over to this website called builderall.com. So for those of you that don't know what Builderall is an entire business box in a tool where you can build landing pages, you can build email marketing campaigns, you can build membership areas, you can have mobile apps, you can create checkouts, you can create an affiliate system, you can create bump sells, upsells and downsells, smart pop-ups, mobile page loading accelerators, you can do drag and drop email marketing automation, SEO page optimization. So it's basically the entire business builder in a box. If you want to build websites, promote that, make money online with selling ebooks from IDPLR or anything that you'd like. You can even have chatbots. And I mean, this tool not a lot of people know of, and honestly it's one of the best priced tools on the platform yet. I personally have been an affiliate for this tool for over a year. I've got two main accounts. I started now a second account because I also use another tool called Kartra, but for now Builderall, I'm making a video on Builderall because it's actually free to sign up. Kartra is a paid tool, and you also get video hosting, all sorts of services that not many tools can actually offer. But you really don't have to stress because we're not going to be buying this tool ourselves. I want to show you something really cool. What you can do is, if you click on the affiliate tab at the top on the top page, you can actually become an affiliate for Builderall. I'm going to show you now exactly what you're going to make. And if I scroll down briefly, you can have a look here. There's some information over here. But what I wanted to show you quickly is this. How does it work? So you can join, become an affiliate completely for free, and you're going to earn a commission up to level 2, two-tier commissions. So just to show you, if I scroll down some more, here you can see personal sales commission. So as an affiliate, every time you make a sale in Builderall, you earn 100% commission on your first customer's payment. Every month thereafter, 30%. And you're also going to get 30% for every second tier reoccurring commissions. That means if one of your affiliates refer somebody, you're also going to get 30% of their commission, which is now level 2, meaning you can actually have people working for you, which is a very powerful concept called leverage. It only goes up to level 2, so it's not like network marketing where there's so many different legs and multiple levels that looks a bit fishy. This is only up to level 2 affiliate marketing, which is a completely different concept to that of a network marketing company. So I'm going to quickly hop over to my affiliate dashboard, and here you can see some commissions that I have been withdrawing from my Builderall account from commissions doing this exact strategy that I'm going to teach you now in a bit in step number 3. So you can see $72 is withdrawing to my bank, $60, $61, $69, $69.99, $61.86, $61.89, $87. So just to refresh to show you, this is my live wallet. There you can see, and what I want to do is I want to click on withdraw funds to show you all the different options that you can withdraw by. You can withdraw by a check, Bitcoin, gift card such as PayPal or Amazon or any other gift cards. Here you can see Visa prepaid as well. Let me quickly go back. You can also do directly to your bank. You can also do wire transfer, or you can order a prepaid card. So it's not only PayPal that's limited to certain countries, you can get paid any country in the world. I usually use Bitcoin as the withdrawal process is the fastest. Then I withdraw from Bitcoin into my local currency. So in order to sign up as an affiliate, all you need to do is just come over to affiliates.builderall.com. You'll see here, become an affiliate today, 100% free and scalable business opportunity. Click on this. It's going to take you to this page over here. Where you just need to scroll down and you click on either, if you want to purchase a plan, you can click on purchase my plan now. Otherwise, if you want to continue as an affiliate for free, just click on no thank you, and then it's going to take you to the next step, which looks like this. So I haven't paid for any account. This is my free dashboard with some of my free tools over here. All you do is come over to affiliates over here, click on Funnel Club all the way on the left over here. Once you open this up, it's going to open up a page that looks like this. You can close this pop-up. Here you can see your affiliate link over here to the Builderall homepage. You also get your own free website. You've got a Builderall business landing page. And if you purchase the premium plan, you get a whole bunch of other coupons and stuff that you can use to hook leads in to get more and more sales. So what you can do is, here's your affiliate link. All you want to do is copy this or click copy over here. You want to open a new tab, come over to bit.ly so we can shorten this link to make it look nice and neat and not this long ugly link. Click on create over here, paste this here. You can then copy the short bit.ly link. So you'll see if I paste this here and I click on enter, it's going to take me to the Builderall homepage with my affiliate link. And all you need to do to withdraw your earnings is come back to your dashboard over here. You click on get paid over here. Let's click on get paid. You're going to then click on access e-wallets over here. You then log in your e-wallet. Let me just log in. Over here, you click on withdraw funds. Over here, you can choose the method that you want to withdraw. You can see my balance is currently at 0 because I've withdrawn all my funds. Every time I get paid, I withdraw my earnings as I don't like to leave funds in this account. And now, step number 5. And this is where things are really going to get great and interesting, because I'm going to give you all the hard work that I have done for you. I'm literally going to spoon feed you right now. So I've got this template over here. Have a look at this. This is an email that I wrote out, for example. If you're building a business online and you know you need the right tools for the job, some of those include website builders, web hosting, sales funnel builder, opt-in landing page builder, link tracking service, email marketing service, message bot or chatbot service, webinar service, and the list goes on. And hey, you can go ahead and acquire all these tools separately. Each one will run at least $20 to $30 a month, or often more, like 2 or 3 times that. Or you could check out this service, which puts all of them and even more in one place, and for all one low price. Check out my summary of the service and snag some sweet bonuses here. Plus, I personally have never paid for my subscription. Why? Because they offer a ridiculously good affiliate program. So what I'm doing is I'm telling them all these tools that so many people pay so much money for separately is all in one tool for such a cheap price. And I'm also telling them that I don't spend a cent on it because of the amazing affiliate program. And you can see I said here that ever since my first month, I've been able to pay for my first subscription cost and make a hefty profit beyond it simply by referring just a couple of people to use the platform themselves. In my summary on this page, I explain the exact methods I used to get my first referrals and how you can get the exact access to the exact same information. Watch the video here, 20 plus marketing tools in one. So what you want to do is you want to copy this entire template, and if you want this template, all I would really appreciate on this video is leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe, make sure you've got the bell on if you're new, and leave a comment down below, just commenting something like I'm ready, and I'll reply to your comment with the download link to this Google document. I'll just leave the Google link so you can go download this directly. Then all you're going to do is come over to gmail.com. You're going to click on compose so we can open up a new email. Let's just open up this full screen, and I'm going to paste this here. And just for the subject, you can put something like all-in-one marketing platform in brackets, save hundreds per month. So if you're building a business online, you can see everything here. Then what you want to do is come back to bit.ly, copy this affiliate link that we've shortened, come back to your email over here, and you want to scroll down, and here where you've got for all the low in one price, check out the summary of the service. So you can highlight this, for example. You can click on link over here, paste this web address, click on OK, and then over here, because they offer such a good affiliate program, let's highlight good affiliate program. We're going to add our affiliate link to this. That's basically a clickable link to our affiliate link. And then over here, watch this video over here. We want to highlight this again. just highlight that, click on OK, and over here if you have any questions you just want to replace with your name, for example J. There we go. And that is perfect. And this is step number 6. And what you want to do is you want to come over to Google and you want to type in marketing companies. So for example, by default, since I'm in South Africa, naturally South African companies are going to pop up on my Google page. For you it might be different. If you're in India, you might get local businesses there. If you're in the United States, what you can do is you can also target different cities. So you can go marketing companies in India, for example. You can click on enter and you'll see marketing companies in India or in United States, and they are basically unlimited companies to use to make money online over and over with us. So let's just go back to marketing companies, and you can use any one of these. For example, buckssense.com, which is an e-commerce marketing agency in my country. What you can do is you can click on contact and you will see most likely over here they will have an email. So for example, business or general inquiries, you can use info@mosaic.com, or let's come back to this one over here, the exceptional marketing company.co.za. If I click on their website, it's going to open up in a new tab, and if I click on contact us over here, you can see emails that you can email them to. So you can email hello@dragonflymarketing.co.za. you can use them. Also, as an alternative, you can come over to a website called clutch.co, where you can find top firms for your next big project. So all you're going to do is scroll down, and because Boulderall is in basically all of these niches: advertising and marketing, web development and software development, mobile app development, IT services and solutions, what you can do is you can click on, for example, advertising and marketing agencies. Let's click on see all. Over here, smart sites, digital marketing, you can click on visit websites. So we can open up their page, and over here all you can do is scroll down and you want to find an email. So let's just scroll down a bit. Okay, I can't find anything on this website. Let's just open up this one, for example. Here, this one's perfect. You can see these guys have a email called media, or I would say general inquiries. Message this one, info@rec.co. Then all you're going to do is copy their email, come back to your Gmail over here, and you're going to paste this in the recipients. What you can do is you can also send this to multiple recipients at the same time. So for example, let's go this one over here, hello@dragonflymarketing.co.za. let's copy this, and you want to then paste them in here as well. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on send your email, so you can send them an email, and that email will then go through. You got so many different businesses that you can reach out to on this platform, and what's the nice thing is all these businesses are in the niche that fits Boulderall. That is web development, email marketing, funnel building, mobile app development. It all fits this niche, and that's why this is a very high converting strategy, simply because these companies are also most likely be willing to invest money into their own business, such as into tools that will grow their business, such as boulderall.com, and therefore you're going to get paid your passive income for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to win that $5 giveaway, comment down how many times I said the word Boulderall, including this one from second number 1. The first person to get that right will win $5 to their PayPal. But also don't forget, I'm doing the second giveaway of this entire email template for you that I wrote over here that I'm giving to all of you. So just make sure to leave your comment and I'll reply to the download link with this comment.